International Cat Day is a celebration that takes place on August 18th every year. International Cat Day is a day to adore your cat. It's also a day to consider adopting a cat from a shelter, because they are the moodiest animal, but they understand you better than humans. A cat has absolute emotional honesty. Humans, for one reason or another, may hide their feelings, but a cat doesn't. Your house will always be blessed with love, laughter, and friendship if you have a cat. Owning a cat has been shown to improve mental health and to relieve stress, anxiety, and depression. They make their way right into the center of your soul, so they are always near and dear to you. Cats leave paw prints in your heart forever and always. Happy International Cat Day from Clipping Amazon. Drop your favorite pet photos at www.clippingamazon.com. No matter how bad your day is, your cat will always make you smile, because a cat pouring on your lap is more healing than any drug in the world.